I'm Rosie, a product specialist at Creditor Watch. The customers I speak with every day want to make sure they're trading with reliable, legitimate businesses. But they often have one single point of failure: a broken, unreliable onboarding setup. Whether you're emailing PDFs, chasing customers for missing or incorrect information, or calling sales to find out where the application is, the process is inefficient and prone to error. ApplyEasy, Creditor Watch's onboarding solution, makes your customer applications fast and reliable so you can confidently decide who to trade with and what terms to offer them. ApplyEasy also sets a professional tone with a mobile-friendly application experience that clearly reflects your brand and commercial terms. From your customer side, ApplyEasy provides a simple application link with your company logo and contact details. When they enter their business name, ApplyEasy validates their ABN instantly and locks down that information so it can't be edited. Required fields means no incomplete applications can be submitted, and dynamic fields adapt to accommodate different business types, such as trusts. This ensures that you get accurate information right from the start. As I click through, you can see the application is organized into clear, easy-to-follow sections, covering business details, key contacts, direct information, credit details, and final confirmation. This creates a smooth experience for applications while ensuring no critical information is missed. Once the applicant completes the form and reviews your terms, they sign it digitally. There's no additional printing, scanning, or manual follow-ups required. Now, instead of tracking your applications in email spreadsheets, everything sits in one place. From the Creditor Watch main dashboard, you can click on Applications to see every application in a central inbox with a status, whether it be in draft, pending, or complete, the requested credit amount, and a recommendation based on Creditor Watch's expert risk guidance. Let's open an application. Here, you can view the full application details and the Creditor Watch report already attached. All the crucial details are here for you to make a review and an informed decision. Now, let's take a look at how ApplyEasy really drives growth while protecting you from bad payers. We show you Creditor Watch daily updated recommendations so you can make an informed assessment. For example, we might flag a payment default or a cross-directorship, recommend rejecting the application if the business is inactive, or recommend digging deeper into the credit report if the business has been trading for less than a year. When you're ready to make a decision, you can update the status to either approved or rejected. If you decide to approve, you can then enter in additional details such as the account ID and the approved terms. ApplyEasy then notifies your customer and adds them to your monitoring list in Creditor Watch. You've now got a trackable end-to-end onboarding process for both your customers and your staff. Our product implementation team converts your paper form into a professional, mobile-friendly link in just a few days. Just give us your terms and your logo, and we can do the rest. It's easy to get started. Let us know how many applications you need each month, and we'll reach out to get you set up. Thanks for watching.